Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you.
Okay, so I've got my pan heating up on, I've got it on a high heat, but I'm going to turn it back down when I get the cabbage in. So just a good glug of olive oil in the pan, and then I'm going to get my cabbage. So I've got a quarter of I'm using a white cabbage, but red cabbage works as well. Any cabbage will work for this. And I've sliced it about 1/2 centimetre, so a quarter of an inch thick, but the finer you cook it, the finer you slice it, the quicker it'll cook. So I'm going to just turn that down to kind of a medium-high heat, and I'm going to get the lid on. I'm just going to cook, stirring every now and again until the cabbage is soft. Okay, so cabbage has been cooking for about 7 or 8 minutes, and you can see it started to brown. I like it to have still a little bit of like kind of crunchy bits in it, but if you want it more of an easy eat, you can cook it for a little bit longer, and it's going a little bit golden brown around the edges. So we're good to get our eggs in. So I'm just going to reduce the heat down to you just want it on a low heat so the eggs cook gently in. And then I'm just going to crack the eggs straight in. I'm going to use 2 eggs. But if you're really hungry, you could go for 3. Or if you're not that hungry, you could just go for 1. So eggs in. So 2 eggs and a tablespoon of soy sauce in. And then I'm just going to give that a stir so the eggs mix in with the cabbage and kind of form a sauce, kind of like an Asian carbonara in a little way. And then depending on how hot your pan is, you just want to once you've got it mixed in, just let it cook gently until the eggs are set. So that's been about 30 seconds. I'm going to get that off the pan off the heat, and you can see the eggs are just set. You can see little bits. It's not the prettiest looking dish, but I tell you, it's super delicious and super comforting. And you can taste and add more soy sauce if you like. And I should have mentioned before, if you don't have a frying pan with a lid, you can just use a plate or a tray, or just cook it in a saucepan instead. And dinner's ready.
So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.